Xander waking up from a nap. What are you doing? Oh, careful. Hey. Did you sing us a song? Sing a song.
Okay.
Sing Twinkle Twinkle.
Twinkle, ABC.
Alright, sing ABCs then.
Twinkle,
Sing ABCs. G-H-I. You're silly. That's where the light is? Okay.
I didn't get it.
Did you have a good nap?
Oh, get it.
What do you want me to get?
I didn't get it.
What?
It was closet.
Hmm?
And he got it. Hey, look. That's now.
Did you have a good nap?
Yes.
You did?
Mhm.
Can I have your plug?
Mhm.
Where's your blanket?
Yeah.
Right there. How about your doggy?
Guys, it's puppy.
That's your puppy.
Mhm. He was there.
Aww. Are you cute?
Also,
And give it a hug?
mhm.
That-
Okay, it's food.
His what?
Food.
Poop?
Mhm.
No. His bum.
That's it.
What?
That's it.
You pull it.
See? It's food.
Xander, can you say bye?
Bye.
Say ABCs.
Baby.